This is what fresh looks like. And this is what fake supermarket fresh looks like. Say goodbye to supermarket fresh and say hello to AeroGarden fresh. This is AeroGarden, and this is everyday fresh. No herbicides, no pesticides, always non-GMO. Who knew fresh could have no off-season? Who knew locally grown could mean 5 feet away? And who needs farm to table when you have plant to plate? With AeroGarden, grow delicious herbs and heirloom vegetables right on your counter, in a beautiful and sleek garden that's right at home in any kitchen. There's no sunlight necessary and no green thumb required. So you get the harvest without the hassle. AeroGarden has everything you need to get growing in minutes. Just drop in the pods, add water and plant food, and watch them grow. With our easy-to-use control panel, you'll always get the right light and no worries about when to add water or how much to feed. AeroGarden Fresh means all year-round natural fresh. You'll grow 5 times faster than soil. Watch it sprout in days, harvest in just weeks, and enjoy over and over for months. You can grow the freshest herbs, the tastiest vegetables, even the most beautiful flowers. There's an AeroGarden for every home and every budget. And AeroGarden makes a great gift with over 10,000 5-star reviews. Come see what everyone is talking about. It's easy, it's fresh, it's AeroGarden. So don't be fooled by fake supermarket fresh. It's not really fresh unless it's AeroGarden fresh. Get growing today with AeroGarden. Available at Amazon and these fine retailers.